Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to increase voice chat volume here in Roblox. So first thing that you want to do is that you want to go here to the Roblox icon over at the left corner of the game. Then you want to click on settings. Then you want to scroll down to volume. Then you're just going to click on the plus icon in order to increase the volume, because you might have had the volume down, that's why you weren't hearing anything. Then the next thing that you can do is that you can go to your volume settings in your computer. So if you're using Windows, then this will be probably at the bottom. Then you just want to make sure that the sound is on or is increased to the very maximum. And if that still doesn't work, the third way that you can do is you want to make sure that when you're in the game, you're actually standing near the person that is speaking in the game, because the closer you are to the person speaking, the louder that he'll be able to hear that. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.